In this lesson, we're going to talk about hourly wages plus tips. So some workers, and you might be familiar with workers like waitresses, hairstylists, cab drivers, people who earn tips in addition to their hourly wages. So what this means is that they still earn a set amount of money per hour worked, but then they also add their tips into that amount as an extra amount of money. So for example, if you earn $11.50 per hour and work 40 hours, plus get $220 in tips, in order to calculate your income, you're going to do your hours worked times your wage, and then just add on the tips at the end. So here, 40 times $11.50 is $460 plus $220. So the total income would be $680. In example 1, it says Liam works as a hairdresser and earns $14.40 per hour. One Saturday, he worked 7.5 hours and made $43 in tips. What was Liam's income for the day? So remember, to get his income, we're going to take the hours worked, which was 7.5. Remember, as a decimal, that's 7.5 times his hourly wage of $14.40, and then add the tips, which were $43. And when I do that, 7.5 times $14.40 is $108 plus $43 in tips, which is $151 for his total income. Now, sometimes you have to problem solve a little bit more. So if we look at example 2, it says Josh is a barber. He charges $22 per haircut, plus he earns tips. If he cuts hair for 15 clients, how much was his income, not including tips? So this is really similar to hourly wage, but in this case, he's getting paid $22 per haircut and cuts hair for 15 people. So his income would be $22 per haircut times 15 haircuts. So $22 times 15 is $330 just for cutting hair. But part B says if his total income, including tips, was actually $379.50, how much did he make in tips? So he earned $330 just for doing those haircuts, but his total income was $379.50. So to figure out how much he earned in tips, we need to know how much was added to $330 to get $379.50. So to do that, we can use subtraction. $379.50 minus $330. And when we do that subtraction, we determine that he earned $49.50 in tips.